Dr. Martin Luther King was a man who fought for civil justice.
He was an activist who fought for equality and freedom.
He was someone that helped everyone be able to have the same opportunities.
Martin Luther King taught me how to bring love and peace and joy to people.
Martin Luther King has taught me you can be friends with anybody, even if you're a different race.
He wanted to make a right to make a difference in the world.
He taught me that he could bring hope and peace and love to everybody.
He taught me that you should treat people all the same, no matter their race or gender.
We should work together to make this world better. Don't always think of yourself. Think of people around you.
Some of my best friends do not look like me, yet they are still my friends. When we work together, we can do great things for each other.
I decided to draw this piece of art to show others the true meaning of unity.
The picture I drew shows that it does not matter the color of your skin. We need peace and hope for all.
I wanted to make this to maybe, encourage people to live greener and unite.
I wanted to show the world that under our skin we're all human.
You can be friends with anyone.
MLK was somebody who changed the world in a way that will never be forgotten.